had the privilege of working in the country when I was growing up in Greeley. I was sort of a rare chemistry student that took chemistry courses during the day, then drove through the countryside where I worked on trucks and tractors in the afternoons. That was really what gave me the energy to pursue this whole, not only career path, but also technology direction. When I began here in 1980, the field really didn't exist at that time. I knew we were going to do good things. I didn't quite know what the area was yet, but it evolved to be biomass conversion.
Plants have evolved to make sure that their bodies are really difficult to break down, right? And so what Mike has been concentrating on is how do you release that glucose that the plant has stored as part of its body? And then how can you use that glucose in a variety of ways to enhance our future economic security?
We have done the work to build and better enzyme than nature has ever been able to produce by natural processes. I think I'm very proud of our work in cellulase enzyme engineering. That, and I think my work in pretreatment, that was what really was the basis for the patent applied for technology called DMR. It stands for deacetylation and mechanical refining. And DMR is really the heart of a lot of NREL's most promising pretreatment technology today.
One thing that really distinguishes Mike is his view of scale. So he's able to think about things at the level of a single protein or a single amino acid in a protein, but then all the way up to unit operations in a biorefinery. And that's really extraordinary in a scientist.
I was also approached by my boss and asked if I could build a pilot plant here at NREL to produce 50 pounds of wheat straw. I bought the pretreatment kettles and reactors, did all the plumbing design myself, I did all the pipe threading myself, and lo and behold, it worked. We met that goal. We made that biomass. NREL's pilot plant now is really remarkable and really one of the key assets that the lab has. The Sapphire project really embodies all the key elements of my career in one way or another. I think it's rare to be able to pull that together. Sapphire stands for Sustainable Aviation Fuel from Renewable Ethanol. We recently onboarded Southwest Airlines as a major partner. So there's a lot of momentum and excitement really going on around Sapphire, and we intend to convert corn stover, the lignocellulose part of the corn plant, to ethanol with aviation fuel.
It's really the culmination of his research career, because now he's taken what was discovered inside the lab at the lab bench scale and showing it in real life, showing it with market impact as a pilot demonstration plant.
In 2 years, we should have a 10-ton-a-day pilot plant built in Iowa. It should be a show facility. That's my primary goal right now, is to see that be successful.
He's really been a force of nature in driving a research agenda forward in the US. Mike has an amazing publication record, 500 publications, 40 patents. It's just an incredible record for an individual. He's had numerous awards. He has been a figure on the national and international stage. The mentorship that he gives to younger scientists at an earlier career stage. And so NREL and my center is absolutely populated with proteges who have benefited from Mike's mentorship.
I want to say thank you for the honor. It's been a very interesting, rewarding career, quite a long career, but there's a lot more to come.
From this tiny adjustments to this single type of protein, all the way up to making jet fuel for commercial operations. The span of his career, it's just what makes him an amazing scientist.
You want to solve the difficult problem. You want to at least make an inroad into the solution. So that's why the long hours, that's why the hard work. It's a very important pursuit.